Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds. The city is gearing itself up for a bumper Easter weekend as it expects 1.2 million visitors to descend on the city. The city has ensured high police visibility on the streets, beaches and places of entertainment. Full Council has approved the public consultation process for the draft integrated development plan and 74.7 billion rand draft pro-poor budget for the 2026-27 financial year. The consultation process will include residents, businesses and civil society ahead of its expected adoption in May. EThekwini municipality has opened entries for the 2026 Lions Den Business Plan competition, inviting SMMEs and cooperatives with innovative ideas to showcase their potential while accessing mentorship, development support, funding and market opportunities. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.